How to use OnlyFans application. The first things first is I'm going to be providing you informations for both the website and the application. So let's go ahead and go to how you can use OnlyFans on your mobile phone using your browser. So on your browser, just simply type in OnlyFans, same as you do on your PC or laptop. Just tap on the first link. Now, as you can see, you should be able to get to the OnlyFans homepage or dashboard. You can choose to sign in whether you're sign in with X, with your Google, or your passwordless sign in. Now, before you do, just simply press on the three dots right here, and then you'll just have to view this specific browser to a desktop site. Now, the reason why we're doing this is for us to be able to have a better or a wider view of what we are seeing for both mobile phone and for your laptop or PC. Just simply press it in before you choose a logged in. It's going to be the same thing, but the only changes is it looks like you're using your laptop or PC. And from here, let's just go ahead and try to log in with our Google account. Now in here, we're going to tackle about or dig deep into the specific icons right here below your profile picture. So the first one is, of course, your home page, and then the second one is going to be your alerts or your notifications. Third one is your messages, and then the other one is going to be your collections. Next one is the users that you follow or you're following. And then next part is your payment option right here. Now this is the most important thing. For you to be able to have a full access with OnlyFans is you need to set up your billing method right here. So you'll have to add your country, state of province, your full address, zip code, your card details, name of the card, card number, that's actually self-explanatory, and so on and so forth with your card informations for you to be able to have a fully access with OnlyFans. Now in here, these are only the options that you can do. Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Diners Club, Discover Card, and UCP. As you can see, there is no electronics, cashless payments right here, like maybe PayPal, because PayPal does not support an extended payment method with OnlyFans because this is an adult website. Now, once you have set up everything, you go ahead to the three dots. This is going to be your settings, and the last option is the plus icon right here. This is going to be the interactive part. It's like Facebook works. So all I have to do is just press on that, and you can compose any post or interact with other users. Now, let's proceed on the app. So if we're going to use the app, it's actually name a different thing. It's actually an abbreviation. So you just have to go to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then if you're using an iOS, then go to your Apple Store. So go to your Play Store right here. There it is. Now go to your search bar and then type in um, OFTV. So that's actually OnlyFans TV. Just head on, find, and this is going to be the application that we're currently looking at. So download and install this, and then if you already have OFTV downloaded, make sure that you're currently running with the latest version. You should be able to know if that application needs an updating because there will be a visible update button that's going to be there. Just have to click on that or tap on that, and it will automatically update by itself. Now once you fully downloaded the application, just simply pull it up, and let's try to log in with the account that we just logged in earlier with our Google. So as you can see, it actually looks like a streaming application right here. So it's a wider range entertainment than using the website view. So if you can see, if you tap on the three lines right here, you'll have a different options. Let's say home, creators, genres, recently added, trending now, help, light mode. We haven't logged into our account yet. So just tap on the three lines. If you click on the home page, all of these options on the left side is going to be showing here. So as you can see, there are plenty of users that have like a different content, and I'm not sure if they are uploading on a daily basis. So next thing is going to be creators. So as you can see in the creators, you'll be able to see all the users right here, and you can hover around these filters right here if it's gonna be for all, for originals, sports and gaming, for vlogs, infotainment, travel, food, fitness, beauty and style, how-to creators, art, music, podcasts, wellness, and comedy. So you can hover around these filters right here for you to be able to have um, a wider view of all the content creators from Onlyfans. Now, next thing is for genres. It's actually the same thing for creators, but the difference is you can just simply tap it when scrolling and down on any of those content that you would like to choose. The next thing is going to be the recently added. So if you watch any specific videos from the homepage, then you can go ahead and follow that creator and then add it to your recently added page. Now, trending now is going to be all the videos or the content or the users that is going to be trending in a daily basis. So all the way to the top is the most viewed creator or the user, which is going to be this one, the Brainwash Museum in Beverly Hills, is going to be specifically for Jamie Luna TV. So going to the next part is going to be the help. So these are all the necessary policies, rules, and guidelines that you can access with. So for example, you added a payment method and you are having problems with it. So all you have to do is just tap on contact us. Or if you have any issues with viewing all those videos, any types of contents on the homepage, you can actually just go hover around these support or what you want to call this, a help center. And then if there is actually something wrong with your application for an update and it is not actually showing under the Play Store, if you look for OFTV, then just go here and then just simply tap on click here to update your app. Now the next page is your flight mode or dark mode, like so. So going back to the home page, now you can hover around these users right here, and then you can also look for the users that you would like to follow if you know their username or the user or the creator's um, ID number or maybe a username to be simple. So if you take a look on search, you can filter this out for maybe the creators or for the videos and then just directly search. So if we try to view any specific creator right here, now you can go ahead and subscribe to that specific user that you just typed in, and you can also share it on any social media platforms that you would like. So going back here, now it is actually a series basis. If we take a look on this one, so it's actually a streaming application. So if we try to look for another creator right here, so you're there, as you can see, it's actually a series basis. So all I have to do if you want this to follow for this specific content creator, then just have to tap on subscribe on. If we try to press on this one, we will be redirected to our um, browser page and we can subscribe that specific user for free. But before you do, before you will have full access with OnlyFans TV, make sure that you have subscribed to their platform on using the browser page. Because if you're going to be using the app page, is not going to be available here for you to log in. So it's actually basically a streaming app. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use OnlyFans for app and then for website.